A program is introducing high school agricultural science teachers to the latest research underway at UTRGV.
They were real excited to know that what students are actually doing at the university level can be brought to the high school level. They were also very excited, to see what's happening in industry at present time, because a lot of times that's where the disconnect is.
We want to update these teachers, right? We want to update on what are the new developments in this field. And we want to do this in a very intensive way because they have very busy schedules. We cannot get them for many days or over a semester.
UTRGV biology professors invited 8 agricultural science high school teachers from PSJ ISD to a week-long boot camp style workshop.
And every day morning, they will have lectures from one of these faculty members. And then afternoon, they will go to the lab. They may also go to the field, and they will at least learn one hands-on activity.
The UTRGV faculty hopes the information will eventually reach 2,000 high school students through the participating teachers.
They equipped them with some supplies where they could come back and teach their high school classes with the exact same thing that they learned at the boot camp, and they were very excited about that.
COVID-19 delayed plans to collect formal feedback about the first year of the program. But in a recent paper published, UTRGV Assistant Professor Dr. Rupesh Karyat mentioned positive comments. He also said he hopes the program will be a way to introduce more teachers and students to the university.
We believe that this will become a pipeline for students from different school districts to learn more about UTRGV and our science programs.
For more information about the UTRGV Department of Biology, visit utrgv.edu/biology.